Alright, Gary back again, XG14. This one wasn't that easy, it wasn't that hard actually, no, it wasn't, but anyway, we're going to go to the balance, for balancing a control surface, whether it be aileron or whether it be elevators. Page 3, I think, yep. Right aileron's selected at the moment. If you can't see the elevator, then and you have got a dual elevators, dual servos, split elevator in other words, and you can't see, you've got the wing set up wrong. As far as this is concerned, the wing must be set up right for it to be able to come into the balance section. Basically, it only moves the right elevator and the right aileron. Now, you can have up to 5 points in total, and that you can align or match the position of the control surface. Okay, we'll move it down to. You can move the stick when we're in elevator, so we'll go up and down. As you can see, there's a stick movement. That's 100% stick movement. Now, at that point 1, 2 and 3, we'll do the center first. You click on the amount you want it to move and watch the center, because we're doing 0.2 at the moment. You'll see that line going up, and of course you can go the other way. I mean, you wouldn't be watching the screen, you'd be watching the control surface to match the right to whatever the left, and hopefully you centered it before you started as best as you could. Now once you've got that, say for argument's sake, that match there, okay, click the button again, that's that bit done. Now say we want to move to a say halfway position, then you hit the F button, and which says add, and you make another point, which is 0.2. Now at 0.2, now and you can move those points as well. You can move the point, too late, point 2, and then go up, down, whatever it needs to match the other side, and so on and so forth. So you can do up to 5 points along. I'm going to try and take all these back to 0. So I don't really need it, in case I forget it in the future. That's it, balance. It's not that hard. It took me a while to comprehend what they first meant. We all know what we think of the manual. One other thing, if you didn't like the position at a point or whatever, say 0.2. Now you can see it's gone because it's already here. You get the delete function, hit the same switch, 0.2 gone. Sorry, yeah, it was 0.2. You can take 0.2 away and so on and so forth. Take 0.1, 2 away and 1. You start out with a clean sheet, no points at all. And then away you go. Add 1 in the centre, add 1 there, add 1 there, add 1 there, and add 1 there. And and then again you go. But when you go down to the out, that's when you start actually moving the control surface, and you see it visually displayed there. Bingo. Oh. And the balance, thank you.